This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change the default download destination in the Brave web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Brave web browser opened up now. To change your download destination in Brave, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go up to the upper right hand corner to where you see the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now in the pane off to the left hand side here, you want to go down to where it says Downloads and click on Downloads. Then in the center pane, it tells you right up here where your current download destination is. To change that, you just go off to the right here and click on Change. A little dialog box will appear, and from here you could select a new download destination. Say that I want to make my download destination my desktop. I'm going to click on Desktop over here. Then I'm going to go down to the bottom and click on Select Folder. Now as you can see, my download destination is now my desktop. That is how to change your download destination in the Brave web browser. Thanks for watching.